Come on. Crawl over to Mommy. You call to Mommy? Oh, good job. Good job. Yep. You gonna crawl over to your toys? Good job. Oh. Oh. This is hard work. Sit. Good job. Can you crawl to Mama? Mama's got shoes. Yes, I've got shoes. Look. Look, I got shoes. Mama's got shoes. Can you come crawl to them? Yeah. Good job. Good job. Good crawling. Good crawling. Mom's got feet. Feet are really neat. Yeah. Feet are really neat. That was good crawling, Evie.